On to my first one of the day. I have a Jeep Wrangler quarter panel repair. Just this back corner, I guess it's quarter light, tail light pocket area, I guess is what you would call it. I don't even know what they technically would name that, but I'm gonna knock that out and get it over to Phil. So I had to weld a tab on here to get this last little bit out. I couldn't get a good grip on it from the backside, so this should do the job though. Just a quick little tool tip for you guys. Now this is a body hammer. I bought a set of body hammers on Amazon. Came with hammers and dollies. I think it was around $35, $40, somewhere around there. Came with 3 hammers and a bunch of different dollies. Real cheap kit, but the reason I bought it was because I wanted to make some short throw hammers. So I actually cut this hammer off, cut the one end off that I didn't need, and just kept the points. And I have 2 other ones with different shapes, different ends on them. And it's just a cheap way to make some short throw hammers, and it worked out really good for this situation, so I could get inside this taillight pocket and hammer this area out. Just a little tip of the day so you don't spend a fortune on different hammers from all the tool guys. This is a cheap way to do it, and it works out perfect. Alright, it looks like this taillight sits nice and flush all the way around, except for across the bottom I have a little bit of a gap. I'm going to try to bring that metal out a little bit right across at the bottom of this light, just a couple millimeters, 1-2 millimeters, and it'll fit just right, and then it'll be ready for fill. Now I have this light fitting very nicely. So I'm going to send this one over to Josh to do the fill work on, because Eric's on vacation this week.